Hello, friends. Welcome to this channel, Center of Excellence podcast episode. In this episode, I'm going to discuss transforming pharma by using the power of cloud, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and blockchain. Let me first give you our background. Center of Excellence Pharma 4 is established by Dr. Jayan Joshi, and we have now a book series which is published onto Amazon Kindle and a paperback. Right now, we have three books published related to Pharma 4. We also offer a course, Smart Manufacturing in Pharma, on Udemy platform. We have a YouTube channel which has got more than 300 videos related to emerging technologies, digital transformation, and Pharma 4. Our podcast channel, Center of Excellence Pharma 4, has got more than 35 episodes. This is what it is our background. So let's get it into the topic. So my agenda today is introduction to Pharma 4, role of cloud computing, role of artificial intelligence, role of Internet of Things, role of blockchain, and benefits of using all these technologies in integration. I'm also going to see some of those successful implementations as examples. And to achieve this, what are the key considerations and challenges, the opportunity? So let's get into the details about introduction to Pharma 4. Pharma 4 is actually expecting integration of various advanced digital technologies which are now emerging, and these are aligned with the principles of Industry 4. So, to achieve Pharma 4, we are using the technologies like cloud computing, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and blockchain. This helps in enhancements of operational efficiencies, improve the quality and innovation, and streamlines the drug development, product manufacturing, and a digital supply chain management. With emerging technologies, there is a huge possibility of scalable infrastructure. What we are expecting in Pharma 4 is a real time data access across the complete supply chain management. This helps in enabling access to the data from anywhere, which covers demand planning, supply planning, operations planning, and everything actually. This enhances collaboration across all the departments. When we talk about the demand planning, it's a distribution, logistic, route planning, and connecting with the customers and patients. When we talk about the supply planning, it's a purchase, procurement, stores, materials management. When we talk about the operations planning, it's the sales and operation planning, business planning, and also the contract manufacturing. And this, when we have a collaboration with all these departments, improve the decision making across all the location, which is what it is very important. And seamless integration is expected into Pharma 4. This requires a scalable infrastructure, and this allows flexible resource allocation across the complete supply chain management. This also handles a sudden spike in the data or the workload. whether it's in the distribution logistic or whether it's a manufacturing, whether it's a contract manufacturing, all it's really required. And there are always ups and downs, and then the volume of the data is always fluctuating. This reduces the need for the significant infrastructure investments, whether all these emerging technologies needs the hardware, software, implementation, processes, training, and everything, which requires investments. Next comes the data management and analytics. As we discussed, there is a huge amount of data which is getting collected. So we have to think about the advanced analytics. It facilitates the use of big data with artificial intelligence and machine learning, and that is what it is called advanced analytics. This analyzes a large data sets. As we know, there is a huge opportunity to compile on the data, do the good analysis, which will need to take to a data driven decision making systems, which will help you to improve the operational and business performance. This also helps in accelerating drug discovery, drug development, and all. And that data also uses into optimizing clinical trials. This leads to cost efficiency. This reduces the capital expenditure across the complete supply chain, and with using of a cloud which adopts to pay as you go model, allows effective resource allocation. Now, you need various resources like the supply chain that is being monitored, and this data also helps in improving the possible opportunities of innovation with research and development. This gets directly linked up with the manufacturing efficiency. This actually helps in optimizing processes. Artificial intelligence optimizes production processes. It reduces the wastage and maintains the precision quality at both process level and quality level, and that enhances overall manufacturing efficiency. This is also gets supported by predictive maintenance. We have to maintain our plant, equipment, and supporting services at the best level to offer and get a best product quality and quantity at a desired time. So, using this predictive maintenance algorithms helps you in planned maintenance, and then that reduces the breakdowns, and that anticipated failures are being reduced, and that minimizes the downtime to offer a ensure uninterrupted production. The next benefit is real-time monitoring. When we discuss about the real-time monitoring, quality control is most important thing. Industrial Internet of Things, those sensors help in monitoring the manufacturing environment, tracks critical parameter like temperature, pressure, humidity, and gas exposures or anything. Depends upon your manufacturing process and the parameters which you want to monitor it, and ensures consistent product quality. Another benefit is in supply chain management, which tracks products throughout the supply chain, enhances the inventory management, reduces risk of overstocking and understocking. The next is the cold chain management. This is the extension from product moving from the warehouse or the distribution location and going to the patients or customers or maybe hospitals, where some of the products are need to be maintained at a particular temperature for the quality requirement. So monitoring that temperature is a very important thing. So to ensure the temperature sensitivity into the products are stored properly, a good IoT system can help in monitoring those parameters, and then that maintains the efficacy of products during the transportation. This also builds a supply chain transparency. The supply chain transparency requires the handling of the data regarding the sales, and immutable ledgers are required to track the movement of raw materials, finished product from supply side to demand planning side and all. And this requires a transparency and which needs to monitor and reduce the counterfeit products or the those drugs which are getting into the system. Smart contracts are required to automate those compliances, streamline processes, minimize the human errors, and which enhances the operational efficacy. This is possible only when you have a data integrity and security. Data requires a decentralized data management which ensures the data integrity and security, provides a tamper-proof storage of patients' data and the research results. Patient centricity is becoming more important as we are moving from analog to digital systems. We are now in a position to connect to the patient and capture the data to support to their expectations about the right product, right quality, right time, at right price. And that enables us to compile the data and ensure a secure and decentralized patients' health records. And we can look forward for a next step to support for the personalized medicines, and that enhances the patient control over their data also. This helps in operational efficiency. Operational efficiency is streamline the processes, automate the processes, reduces the wastage either during in process in manufacturing or maybe during the transportation, during the handling, and maybe in the warehouse or a logistic and all that, and improve the resource allocation. Real time monitoring enables the real time monitoring and control, which enhances the product quality also and maintains the good quality from manufacturing to the warehouse to the distribution and going to the patient. And with emerging technologies, what we discussed regarding IoT, then cloud, it also reduces the downtime along with the predictive maintenance. This data helps in innovation and competitiveness. It helps in accelerated innovation. This huge amount of the data, along with a Google algorithm, leverages artificial intelligence and advanced analytics. It enables the faster drug discovery and development and allows companies to respond more agile to the market changes. As we discussed, this starts with the demand planning. So market expectations are changing, market demand is changing, demand forecasting is changing and all. And that needs to get reflected into your earlier other activities. So this data by adoption of cloud, artificial intelligence with IoT and all can help in accelerating innovation. And that has got a edge for the company to move to competitive advantage. This enhances the market position through the innovation. It improves the patient's outcome. As we discussed, patients are expecting a right product, right quality, right time, right quality. So patients has to get a confidence, has got a satisfaction. So this helps in building up a patient centricity. That is what is the objective of building up this complete, entire integrated various solutions. So that is why I gave a name. It's a transforming pharma. It is moving to the digital technology. And that drives the business success and competitiveness. So is a small example I've just given. Some of those companies who have done this integration with they have achieved enhanced operational efficiency and boosted their innovation, which has given them a competitive edge over the market, over the other competitors and all that. And that is how that Pharma 4 potential is huge, and that is how it is helping them to drive the business success. So some of the key considerations which you must thought about it while designing your strategy or while doing the implementation is the data quality management. You have to ensure that high quality data and accurate data is captured, is compiled, is transported, is used into the decision making, which is what is most important thing. And then you have to think about the technology integration. We are discussing about various technologies like cloud, artificial intelligence, IoT, blockchain, and all. These various technologies need to be integrated at the various processes which are being there into the complete supply chain management, as I mentioned, from demand planning, supply planning, operations planning, and all. Leveraging all these advanced technologies, again, artificial IoT is most important challenge. And analyzing this complex data sets effectively is very interesting topic. This has to support a regulatory framework also. Understanding evolving regulatory standards and maintaining the compliances is most important thing. So while we are thinking about transforming pharma, there are challenges are there. The challenges in the industry is there is a resistance from the users, the skills which are there for a long time. So managing this cultural resistance is the most important thing. Ensuring regulatory compliances because pharma industry is governed by the lot of regulatory requirements. So those needs to be supported and integrating new technologies along with the existing system. As you know, we already have a age-old analog systems which we are now transferring, upgrading to the digital technologies, which is the most important challenge. And then that will lead to opportunities for growth. No? You can think about accelerated innovation, improved efficiencies, enhancing the patient satisfaction, patient centricity, and that will drive the business success and competitiveness. So, with this whole background, I again suggest all of you to subscribe, look at our various books, channels, videos, podcasts, and I'm very sure that you will develop a good expertise in implementation of emerging technologies, digital transformations, and pharma forward, which will help you to stand in a global competition and achieve operational and business excellence. Feel free to contact us Our various contact details are already shown over here. Thank you. Bye.